got these installed a couple of weeks ago. These are the Musiclly 10.5mm roller bridge, and I've got it on a hardtail strap. And this is turning out to be one of my favorite builds, my favorite guitar. These are smooth. When you're bending, they are smooth. Usually, obviously, you bend on here. But, oh, they're so nice. Another thing I really like is these screws aren't so long. Here's a stock 2005, non-hardtail tremolo bridge. And these stick out so bad when you're kind of playing like palm muting and stuff. You almost scratch your fingers on these. And these are just so buttery smooth and very, very nice. So if anybody's looking to upgrade to a roller bridge, these are quality. Really like them. Really like them. I think I'm gonna pick a setup for this guitar. So got a lot of strats, and yeah, this is my go-to. Gonna be picking more of these up. So if you're looking for a roller bridge, these are pretty sick. They even come with black hardware over here, which I thought was really cool. So really cool. Really like them. Just a couple of different looks so you can get a good idea what you're buying. And the intonation was pretty good. On this E, I had to pull it really far back, and it ends up almost touching the string down in there, as you can see. See if I could zoom this in. Almost touches the string. I was thinking about chopping this bolt a little bit shorter, but at least with my intonation, this was perfect right here. Kind of goofy that this one's a lot longer, but just the way it was. And the next thing I got to do is do the string tree, or the string, like the radius for the bridge. I got to set it to the radius here. But right now I got nothing buzzing, so it's working out good. But yeah, that's them. Pretty sick. Really like them. All right, guys, if you want them, link in the description.